Welcome to Serenity Mastery. Today, I invite you to take a moment for yourself. You've had a hard day, and it's time to let go of the weight you've been carrying. In the next few minutes, we'll explore simple relaxation techniques to release tension, unwind your mind, and restore your inner calm. Let's begin by simply being here, in this moment, and allowing yourself to feel the peace you deserve. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels right, and let your body sink into where you are. Let's begin with deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. And exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this again. Inhale, hold, exhale. As you breathe in, imagine you are inhaling calm, peaceful energy. Let it fill your body with every breath. And as you exhale, imagine you are releasing any stress, tension, or heaviness you've accumulated throughout the day. Repeat this pattern 5 times. Breathe in calmness, exhale tension. As you do, repeat the following in your mind. With each breath, I release the stress of the day. I invite peace into my body, mind, and spirit. Now that your breathing is steady and slow, let's focus on your body. Sometimes, we carry stress in our muscles without even realizing it. We'll move through a progressive relaxation technique to release physical tension. Start by gently bringing awareness to your feet. Curl your toes tightly, hold for a moment, and then release. Feel the tension melt away. Move up to your calves, tighten them for a few seconds, and release. Focus on your thighs now. Tense them, hold, and relax. Let them sink deeper into comfort. Continue this process as you move up through your body. Tighten your abdomen, and relax. Move to your chest, arms, hands, neck, and finally your face. Scrunch your face tightly, hold, and let go. Say to yourself, I release the tension in my body. I am safe, I am relaxed, and I am at peace. Now that your body is relaxed, let's journey inward to a peaceful, safe place in your mind. Picture yourself in a place that brings you calm. Perhaps it's a serene beach, a quiet forest, or a cozy room filled with warm light. In this space, you are free from all the stress and demands of the day. Take a moment to notice the detail. What do you see around you? Is there a gentle breeze or the soft sound of water? Allow yourself to be fully immersed in this scene. Feel the peace and comfort of your surroundings. Stay here for a while. Every breath you take deepens your relaxation. Every exhale lets go of any remaining stress. Repeat the following. In this moment, I am surrounded by peace. I let go of the past and embrace the calm of the present. Now, gently bring your attention to your thoughts. Often, our minds race after a long day, replaying situations, tasks, or worries. We're not going to force these thoughts away, just notice them as they pass, like clouds in the sky. When a thought appears, simply acknowledge it without judgment. Let it float by, knowing it's okay to let go of what doesn't serve you right now. You deserve this time of peace. Say this positive affirmation. My mind is clear. I am free from worry and stress. I trust that everything will work out in its own time. Now, let's take a moment to shift our focus to gratitude. Even on the hardest of days, there are things to be thankful for. Bring to mind 3 things, big or small, that you are grateful for today. Perhaps it's the support of a friend, the meal you had, or simply making it through the day. Feel the warmth of gratitude fill your heart. Let this energy replace any lingering negativity. Repeat, I am grateful for all that I have. I welcome positivity and peace into my life. Let's now affirm some truths that will empower you as you transition from this stressful day into a space of inner peace. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I choose peace over worry. I let go of what I cannot change. I am worthy of rest, relaxation, and joy. I trust in my ability to handle tomorrow. Repeat these affirmations in your mind, or say them aloud if that feels good. Allow them to anchor deep within you, serving as reminders that you are powerful, capable, and deserving of serenity. Before we close, let's seal this moment of peace and calm within you. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Know that you can return to this calm space whenever you need it. Even when life feels overwhelming, you have the power to pause, breathe, and reconnect with your inner serenity. Say the following aloud. I carry this peace with me wherever I go. I am calm, I am grounded, and I am at ease. Thank you for joining me today on this journey to relaxation. Remember, peace is always within reach. Take it with you as you move forward, and when the world feels heavy, come back here to reconnect with your calm. This is Serenity Mastery, reminding you to nurture your inner peace, because you deserve it. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it too. Until next time, stay serene.